Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to be answering all your TikTok questions, all the questions you guys have been asking me both on Facebook, both on YouTube here, and even on my DMs and a lot of them. So I'm going to be answering those questions here, and this question will be mainly concerning international TikTok accounts. Yes, these questions will be mainly international TikTok accounts. And if that seems like what you are going to be interested in, you know what to do. Definitely do what? Keep on watching and make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end, and don't forget to subscribe. So let's get into the so number one question is, I'll just be reading it here from this phone. When posting, this person said, this question is from Matthew Mituku, whatever. I'll just put the question on the screen. He said, when posting videos, what method are we going to use to post? Is it VPN or change the location every time when you post? Which is which? Now, I would advise you that whenever you are posting this video, please just use VPN. Yes, use VPN, or rather still use a separate phone. Like, change location, use VPN, because I've tried doing it without VPN. It actually worked. The first video I posted actually worked, but it didn't give me what I want. So I will advise that you use VPN. Yes, use VPN, especially if your target audience is somewhere in the US or in the UK or Brazil. Use VPN. You hear me? And always, now the person said, are we to change location? Yes, change location. Change location if you are catering to US or UK or Western countries, if you are catering to them. But if your audience are strictly Nigerian, you can just use the same account, but you know, use Nigerian location, I guess. So that's it for this. And another person said, please, I already have a TikTok account. Please, I already have a TikTok account. If I create a UK TikTok account, how will I switch cheat to my main account? Because if I create it, it's like I will start from square one. Is it possible to switch to my normal account, the one I already have? No, it's not possible to switch. I don't, if I get this question right, you have a Nigerian account separately, you have a UK or US TikTok account separately. There's no way you can divert your audience, or you can carry the same audience and then migrate to. No, there's no way. If you are doing a UK TikTok account differently, you are doing it differently. If you are doing this one differently, you are doing it what? Differently. Do you understand what I'm saying? So let's go to the next question. So this other person said, this one is from Eric Electrical Engineer Limited. He said, there is no way to change, but there is no way to change your already created account to UK account, right? Yes, there's no way you can change your already created account to UK account, especially if you are using, now if you did not do this process that I showed you, or you did not create it originally as an international TikTok. Okay, still the same question. So, but there's no way to change it. Do you understand? Now another person said, saying, so another person is saying, mine is saying verify email. I'm not sure if you do the same thing that I did. I said use Google, not email. Some of you people, one thing about some of you people is that you people will watch the video. Some of you did not even watch like half of the video. So this is one thing that is wrong with some people. You guys will watch. Some of you people would click on the video, and you will not watch from the beginning to the end. I always say it. If you are watching something of tutorials, like especially if you're watching more of tutorials, you have to watch from beginning to the end and understand what that person did before you go and replicate. So this person that is telling me that mine is saying verify email, that's because you did not follow the same process that I followed. Yes, you did not watch the video. You just run to the comment section and start dropping this. And this one is from Ujungwa, somebody. You did not watch the video. Yes, if you watch the video, this question will not be here. You understand? Now, another person said, please, won't they ban me when I post video using VPN? No. If you use VPN, if you do not use VPN, they would not ban you. Now, the reason why I always say use VPN is because it will help. Like, it will help. It will not dictate, because your phone has an IP address, and if your IP address is showing Nigerian, which means they have something that is embedded on the app that can locate that can dictate where you are watching from. That's why I always said that's why I would say that you should use VPN. Do you hear me? Use VPN. Nobody's banning your account. Whether I use VPN or you don't use VPN, nobody is doing what? Banning your account. Unless you post something that is contrary or against their community guideline. Do you understand? So that's just it for it. Then another one is another person said, please, how can I get video gifts, TikTok shop, and gaming gifts? Now that has to be when you reach their threshold. For you to be able to get video gifts, I guess you have to reach 10,000 followers, yes, on TikTok. For them to start allowing you get video gifts, you have to reach at least 10,000 followers and you have posted over 100 100 videos or content within the last 90 days, if I'm not mistaken. 100K, like 100K, is it not 100K? Yes, 100 videos within the last 90 days. So that's how you can unlock this, and you must be up to 18 years. You must have up to 10,000 followers and the rest of them. So, and then as for TikTok shop, you have to also, when you reach one, I think for TikTok shop is 1,000 followers for TikTok shop. And for you to be able to do that, you have to also set up a shop. You guys, I'm having my mouth is tearing because of the harmattan. So you have to have at least 1,000 followers for TikTok shop, and you also have to do what? Set it up. So this person said, I have three questions for you. Is Creators Reward Program different from Creators Fund? Two, how do I grow on TikTok? Three is, are you monetized? Now, take the questions in no particular order. Number one is, are you monetized? No, I'm not monetized on TikTok yet. Now, how do I grow on TikTok? Well, to be honest with you, there are no particular metrics at which you can grow on TikTok, because the content that you think that might go viral might not go viral. Let me just tell you the honest truth. And the content that will go viral will be the one that you put your less effort and everything. So if you had to tell me to give you a rough metrics that works, that people use, that people say a lot, I'll tell you that you should use trending sound. Yes, it's proven on TikTok that any sound that trends is most likely to go viral. Once your video, if you use trending sound, it's most likely that you go what? Viral. Thing is to jump on trend. Yes, if a particular thing is trending, jump on it. The sweetness of TikTok is to follow trend. If you can follow trend, then you can upscale on TikTok. Yes. Now the third one is Creators Reward Program different from Creators Fund? Yes, Creators Reward Program is different from Creators Fund. Now when it comes to when it comes to TikTok, the first program they ever made where they pay content creators was Creators Fund. But that did not, it didn't go well. Too many people criticized it. Number one is that they are not consistent with paying you, and your views equates to how much they are going to pay you. I don't know if you know, if you understand. As opposed to Creators Rewards Program where you have CPM, RPM, you know, you know how many people that are watching your videos, like this thing that they say qualified views and unqualified views. That's for Creators Reward Program. For Creators Fund is anything that they want, they will give you. You don't have any simple metrics like analytics, your CPM. That's not for Creators Fund. It's not available in Creators Fund. Anything that they give you, you take. That's it. So, but for Creators Rewards Program, you have to see people that watched your video and for how long they watched your video for you to earn. Then you also have views and qualified views. Three, you also have um analytics like your CPM, RPM, and the rest of them. Now, that's a what that's it for Creators Rewards Program and Creators for now. Another person asked me another question. The person said, what are the requirements for to monetize on your international TikTok account? Now, from what I've seen, because I'm not monetized yet, but based on my research, anything I'm telling you is based on research. So please do your own due diligence. So based on research, um, you must be at least 18 years. Yes, 18 years and above, and you must have more than or 10. You must have up to 10,000 followers. Yes, 10K followers. And you must you must also have 100K views, 100,000 views within the past 30 days. And you must be in the country or region where the Creators Reward Program is available, which is the Brazil, UK, US, Japan, and South Korea, and the rest of them. So you must be in any of those countries. I covered the countries in this video. Please do well to go and watch this particular video so you will understand this. So you must be in those countries. You must also follow their community guideline. Yes, if you do not follow their community guideline, if your content goes against their community guideline, they will not monetize you. Yes, you're not going to be monetized. Do you understand? And this person said, what was this person said? So this person is saying, thank you for this video. Thank you to, and for all of you people that sent me, thank you, thank you, thank you. So I got so many thank you. Like your comment was just making me happy. Like at least, even if I'm not getting much, but at least those thank you, thank you, thank you, as in it's what motivates me. So let's move on to the next question. Okay, this person said, how do you verify the account? Well, if you want to verify your own, you must have at least a UK number, a UK phone number. Yes. Their main way of verifying the account is through the phone number. They have other means, but I feel like having a UK phone number is easy. And there are many platforms that gives you US or UK phone number, depending on the country that used in maybe opening your own. So you need a UK phone number. Do you understand? So that's one way to, verify the accounts. Now, these are simple tips that I'll give you. One is when uploading the video, please use VPN or and also change location depending on the kind of audience that you are catering to, that your content is catering to, if I'm not mistaken. Number two, if it is possible to use a separate phone to be better. Then three, please and please, for you to be able to monetize, you have to bombard them with content. You must have posted over 100 content in the last 30 days. So you need to be at least three contents every day. Every day, three to four content every day. Yes, and you also need like 10,000 followers. So these are the common tip or tricks. And please, lest I forget, always use a very good hashtags, because hashtags works a lot on YouTube. Like, as in, sorry, oh God, hashtag works a lot on TikTok. Yes, like if you want to skate through on TikTok, use hashtag. Like use hashtags and use good hashtags. Yes, use good what hashtags. Always make sure that you visit the analytics section to see where you are going wrong and what you are doing right. Do you understand? And make sure that anything that you are posting, any particular content that you're posting, did not go against their community guideline. And please, if you are using someone's content, make sure you make it transformative. Yes, the English, emphasis on that English, transformative. Make sure it's transformative. Don't go and carry it and put there. Make it transformative. Do you understand? Now that will be all for this. If you have any other question, just put it in the comment section of this video. And please don't forget to like this video, share this video, watch this video to the end, subscribe to this channel for those that have not subscribed, because you know that I'm giving you value packed content. So subscribe if you have not. And by the way, if you want to know what next to do with your international TikTok account, please watch this video here or watch this video here.